Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I am going to be doing a fall makeup tutorial. It's gonna be very easy, very simple, and I just love how this look came out. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I am trying out some new products, so I will leave you guys a pin comment down below to let you know if I love the products. I'm gonna keep using them and let you know how I feel about it. But I hope you guys enjoy this easy fall makeup tutorial. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos. And yeah, if you guys are interested in this easy fall makeup look, then definitely keep on watching. Hey loves, so let's get started. Let's dance it up right before we start our makeup. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution foundation. This is my first time ever trying this foundation, and I have to say it's really good, but I have to keep trying it out. I don't know how I feel about it just yet, but it does have awesome coverage. I absolutely love the coverage, but I'll let you guys know if I love the foundation. Next, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm going to apply this to my eyes and use it as an eyeshadow base. I absolutely love using my concealers. I just feel like they are way better than eye primers in my opinion. And let me know if you guys are like that, because I just love my concealers. Next, we're going to go into the Makeup Revolution palette. I just got this palette, so it's basically a first impression. I'm trying out these shadows for the first time, and I have to say they are pretty good. They do blend out very well. The only issue that I think I had with this palette is the shimmery shade. It took me a while to build it up, but you guys will see it in the tutorial that I do struggle a little bit with the shimmers. But other than that, this palette is very beautiful, and I think it's such a beautiful fall appropriate palette, so I definitely recommend it. Now we're going to go back into the Makeup Revolution concealer again and apply this under the eyes. I absolutely love this concealer. It's a very good, very full coverage. I absolutely love it. If you haven't tried it out, I definitely recommend it because it's really good. Then I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Born This Way loose powder, and I'm just going to go ahead and set my eyes. I absolutely love this powder. It's a very good powder. It doesn't give you that flashback to your face, which I absolutely love. So I absolutely love this powder. Next, we're going to go into bronzing, and I'm going to be using the Tarte Park Avenue bronzer, and I use the shade Angle. I absolutely love this shade. It just gives me the right amount of bronze to my face, which I love a very bronzy face. Then we're going to go into the Burt's Bees blush. I absolutely love this blush. This is Toasted Cinnamon. It's just so beautiful and so pigmented, and it's so affordable. Next, I'm going to go into the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. I love to use this powder under my eyes and just to clean up the bronzer, just to give me that very beautiful brightened face. I absolutely love this powder. Then we're going to go into the Essence Highlighting Palette. I love this palette. If you haven't seen my September favorites, you have to go see it. I absolutely love this highlight, and it's just so affordable. I think it was only $4, and it gives you such a beautiful highlight glow. I absolutely love. Then we're going to go back into the eyeshadow palette and just go and take the same shades that I applied on my eyelids and apply it under the waterline just to get the whole look together. And then last but not least is the lip color. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild lip gloss. I don't know the exact name, but I will leave it down below in the description box. It's such a beautiful lip gloss, and it has such a beautiful orangey tint to it. And yeah, I absolutely love it. And this is the finished completed look. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, my loves.